In this video, let me show you how to fix WhatsApp cannot share location. So if you're trying to share location within WhatsApp and if you're having issues, in today's video, let me show you how it is done. First thing that you need to ensure is that the location access is allowed within WhatsApp. So to ensure that, just tap and hold the app of WhatsApp, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to app permission and make sure that the location option is set to allow. If this was not previously set to allow, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. But however, if this is not the case for you, the other thing that you also need to check if you have turned on the power saver or battery saver mode within your device. So if you have done that, make sure you toggle it off for a few minutes while you're trying to share location within WhatsApp. Now, if you're not trying both of these steps, you're still facing this issue. The other thing that you can try out is try to update the app of WhatsApp and try to clear out the system cache. So tap and hold the app of WhatsApp again, head over to the same settings page, and right here you should be able to see the option called storage, and you can simply tap on clear cache. So once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix the WhatsApp cannot share location error. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.